As part of efforts towards ensuring safety on the waterways, the Lagos State Waterways Authority (LASWA), in collaboration with Simptop Ventures, has trained 105 boat and ferry captains on safe navigation to forestall mishaps. The General Manager of LASWA, Mr. Oluwadamilola Emmanuel, said the state governor had approved continuous training for ferry and boat operators following a stakeholders meeting which held in October.
He said we should organize a training and a seminar for them so that they can be well aware of all the safety measures and operational procedures on the waterways. So that is why we're here today, to be able to guide the existing operators as we've been doing, but we'll continue to do, to sensitize them on the safety procedures and all operational procedures of the inland waterways. And the next thing will be enforcement, and we do enforcement through our own monitoring teams and also work with marine police as well as other enforcement agencies on the waterways to ensure that these operators are doing what they should do. The Lagos State government is also building infrastructure. The very first terminal in this area, in this division and this axis, is coming up and going to be built between now and the end of next year. That's one of those. There's also upgrade of existing infrastructure as well. There's also the channelization of waterways, and there's also the clearing currently of water hyacinth on the waterways as well.
A representative of the Lagos State Fire Service also engaged the participants on emergency fire response, while also urging them to always be conscious of the environment.
Safety is everybody's responsibility. You must at all times be conscious of your environment. Try to desist from unsafe acts. If you can put things in place, try to put things in place. Like, how many of these boatmen really have fire extinguishers in their boats? First, you need the fire extinguisher inside your boat. Then you must know how to operate the fire extinguisher. Don't just buy it for the buying sake, but buy it because of the need it's supposed to meet. So that in case it happens, you have first-hand information on what to do, and then you have the extinguisher to fight the fire with.